Today, we're diving into a topic that could change your life. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, Python has something amazing to offer. So let's jump right in and explore 5 compelling reasons why you should learn Python. Now, if you're new here, I'm Greg, creator of Thoughtful Techie Cloud, and each week I create a video to help you easily navigate your AWS cloud and tech journey. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe right now. Reason number 1, versatility. Python is the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's used in web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, scientific computing, and even gaming, and so many more. With Python, you're not just learning a coding languages, you're opening doors to so many career paths and so many projects. Reason number 2, Python is easy to learn and read. If you're new to coding, Python is going to become your best friend. Python's syntax is clear, readable, and sometimes even resembling plain English. This means it's going to have a faster learning curve, easier to debug, and writing code is going to be way more intuitive. Even experienced programmers can appreciate Python's simplicity and elegance. Number 3 is a big one. Python has a huge community and resources. When you're learning Python, you're actually joining a massive supportive community. This means tons of free learning resources online, active forums for problem solving, regular updates and improvements to the language, and a wealth of libraries and frameworks to enhance your projects. You'll never be alone if you choose to learn Python. Number 4, Python has high demand in the job market. Python skills are hot in the tech industry. Learning Python can boost your employability, increase your earning potential, and open up cutting-edge opportunities in data science and AI. Companies big and small are always on the lookout for Python developers. And number 5 is automation and productivity. Python is a powerhouse for automation. You can use it to automate repetitive tasks, create time-saving scripts, and improve your workflow in almost any job. And trust me, it's going to come in super handy in AWS. Learning Python just simply isn't about coding. It's going to help you work a lot smarter, not harder. So there you have it, 5 compelling reasons to learn Python. Whether you're looking to switch careers, upskill, or just curious about learning how to code, Python is an excellent choice. It's versatile, easy to learn, backed by a great community, in high demand, and incredibly useful for automation. Remember, the best time to learn Python was 5 years ago. The next best time is right now. So why not give Python a try? Trust me, your future self is going to thank you big time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check this video out right here, and I'll see you in the next video.